Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you simple and effective methods to fix Windows 11 search issues permanently. Whether the start menu search is blank, endlessly loading or not responding at all, this step-by-step guide will help you restore Windows search quickly. So let's get started. In the first method, simply right click over taskbar and open Task Manager. Now in the search box, type Explorer. You will get Windows Explorer. Simply right click over it and click on Restart and see whether this resolves the issue or not. In the next method, simply right click over Start Menu Windows icon and click on Run. Now search for services.msc and click on OK. From the list of services here, search for Windows Search Service. Right click over it and click on Restart and see whether this resolves the issue or not. In the next method, go to your Windows settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. Click on Search. Scroll down and click on Advanced Indexing Options. From here, click on Advanced and under Troubleshooting, click on Rebuild. Click on OK and wait for the indexing process to complete. Once the indexing process is complete, simply close everything, restart your computer and see if this resolves the issue or not. In the final method, you need to uninstall Microsoft Edge. So to uninstall it, simply watch the video from the pinned comment. After uninstalling, proceed ahead with the shown steps. Open your browser and download Edge. Go to the official webpage of Microsoft to download it. Once downloaded, simply right click over the file and run it as administrator. Now once the installation is complete, simply restart your Windows once. After restart, you will see that the search function will be back to normal again. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.